we are going to look at Google Flow, which is Google's AI filmmaking tool, and it has access to um, Nano Banana Pro, Google's video generation model Veo 3.1. It has text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video capabilities. We can do video extensions, we can do scene builder, right? So today in this demonstration, we will see how to do scene builder, right? If I have to stitch in multiple videos together to create a complete video, let's see how to build it, right? And so I'm into the flow screens. If you go to labs.google fx tools flow, this is the screen that you will land into if you are registered. So I am a pro member. So for pro first month, the trial month is $0, but after that it is 19.99, I think, if yes, $19.99 per month. And then to generate videos, you may need top up credits, right? So today I registered for this. I took the pro, right, and already topped it up for, I think, around 5,000 credits, which cost me around $24, right? But let's see how we create um, uh, create a flow of video, or a flow stitching multiple videos through flows, right? So the first thing that I need to do is I'll create a new project, right? And when I go to new project, I'll go to scene builder, and the other thing that I'll do is let me give it a name. Let's say I say test scene, right? And then I will go to scene builder, and here these are the option: text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video. We'll look at text to video today and see how we can make a longer video, right? There are still some problems that I have faced with this. For example, and it actually mentions here. So if I use Veo 3.1 quality, it says sometimes audio will not be generated in Veo 3.1 clips. We are working on improving this, and I have faced this. But the other models that are available, like for the video generation, there is the Veo 3.1 fast and Veo 3.1 quality, right? And then you have the Veo 2 fast and Veo 2 quality with no audio capability. This too has audio capability as well. And for there is a feature called jump to a particular scene, right? That is possible through quality, and each generation uses 100 credits based on your current settings. By default, it creates 2 outputs per prompt. I will make it 1 to reduce my credit consumption. Aspect ratio, you can either have landscape or portal, right? So with this setting, let us create a let us make a film, right? So let us think about a story, right? So we'll say I am going to create a video of a story. In this story, the script of the story will be given to you in parts. Here is the first part, right? Then let me give the script, script will say, we'll try to create a video of a very popular story that we were taught during our school days. That was about two friends. So the moral of the story was, friend in need is a friend indeed. So two friends goes to a forest, and then when they were attacked by a lion, one friend who knows how to climb a tree quickly climbed the tree, leaving the other friend down. So that was a moment that the other person knew what type of friendship he has with that person. So that was the moral of the story was, friend in need is a friend indeed, right? So here we'll say the script is, two friends were traveling to reach a distant city. They need to go through a forest. Here is the dialogue between the two friends. So one friend will say his name is Ram, and the other friend's name is, let's say, Mohan. Ram says, or I'll say Ram, Mohan, we will need to go through a dense forest. Let us be careful. Right? So now I'll break it up, because what I've seen is, if I give the entire story, first of all, by default it creates 8-second movie, and if I give entire script, it actually misses a lot, right? So we'll first create this. Ram says, Mohan, we'll need to go through a dense forest. Let us be careful. Let's see what it creates, right? So it has started creating, and this creation takes some time. What I have seen is, each of this section, it takes around 2 to 3 minutes, right? So after this is created, right, we can run it and see how it works, and then it allows us to extend this. There will be a plus sign that will come here. It will allow us to extend it with the next video. Some of the other important features that I saw missing is, I could not find a place where I can track the usage of the credits or usage of the tokens. I am yet to find out where it is provided. I have not been able to find out. In fact, the credits that I have bought, I don't know how much I have left. Right? That also is, I have not seen, right? So see it.
Mohan, we will need to go through a dense forest. Let us be careful.
So one of the things that
Mohan, we will need.
If you see, one of the other thing and this is strange. I thought the Google models are better as this. So I named Ram and Mohan, which are typical Indian names, right? So, but the characters that are shown here are not Indian, right? So this is one. Although, like in some other cases, in other models I was able to see it was able to match the name with the character, but here it did not. Let me now create the next one. So okay, so extends and jump to did the same thing. I could not actually find out the difference between the two, right? In both the cases, it extends this particular frame with the next frame, right? So let me extend this one now and say Mohan said, sure Ram, we will look after each other, right? Now I'm giving one by one because I've seen if I overload it with prompts, it makes a lot of mistakes, right? And let's see, but the few other things is the forest background, it's good, right? It's able to create that background of the forest. Yeah, but there is yeah, this sun rays are also like this is actually looking like a real environment. I like that the quality of the images and the videos are pretty good, right? Let it finish. Still, it's only 50% done. 53%. The one other thing I like is here it mentions a flow can make mistakes, so double check it. Okay, so the next one is also created. Let's see how it created.
Sure, Ram. We will look after each other.
Now see here what happened, right? And this is what I also noticed, right? And sometimes it was able to carry the context from one frame to another, right? But in this case, it completely changed the characters, right? So that is one other problem that I got, right? But this is the way I will quickly
Mohan,
complete this.
we will need to go through a dense.
We'll complete this recording here, but I just wanted to give a glimpse of how flow works, particularly the scene builder. I can keep on extending, and when I am done, I can download it when it will stitch all the frames together and create an MP4 file for me, right? So for example, if I say download, it will start exporting this two frames and create one complete recording out of it. This is all I wanted to show today. I'm still trying to find how we can make this the contextual grounding better, right? Maybe there are ways through prompting. I actually tried different prompts in my other experiments with Veo, and with that I found that when I make the prompts better, like give very structured prompt, it does better, but still it makes some mistake. But that's all I wanted to show as part of this recording. Thank you.